Got a leaky pipe at home? Don't panic. In this video, do not use duct tape on pipes. We'll show you how to patch a leaky PVC pipe with simple materials and easy-to-practice techniques. Perfect for those looking to save money and time. First, we prepare the materials and markers for marking. Then we mark the part that will be cut later. Then we rub it with sandpaper to smooth the pipe that has been cut. Then we apply glue to the pipe that has been rubbed earlier. And don't forget to apply glue to the inside of the perforated pipe. After the glue is evenly distributed, next we insert the pipe that has been cut. Then hold it for a few minutes so that the glue really hardens. After like this, then we clean it up. Then scrape with a razor until it is really neat. Then we take the plastic rope and burn it until it melts on the pipe. After that, we sand it to make it smooth. Then take the remaining pipe and cut it. After we cut it and it looks neat, we apply glue to the inside of the pipe and apply glue until it is completely even. After the glue is evenly distributed, we stick it on the perforated part of the pipe. It's really easy, isn't it? You don't need to hire a plumber to fix the pipe. Hopefully this video can be useful for all of you. Don't forget to subscribe and like so you don't miss my latest videos. See you in the next video.